Hey guys, this is our review of the Tuff Trek mk3 rooftop tent. It looks unreal on the car. It's a load bearing tent, so you can carry heaps. It's just 2 latches. Okay, here's the tent with the awning up, all set up. The guy poles, there's 4 of them. They're actually easy to put in if you can stand like I am next to the vehicle. All of these clips everywhere are elastic. So if you're really crap at wrapping things up, which I am, and messy, it doesn't matter. No matter what you do, you can sort of clip them up and out of the way. The walls on the sides are so black and so dark that if you don't open an opening, you wouldn't know it was daytime. Like a lot of roof tents on the market, you can pull the awning off if you want for faster setup and pack up. The soft opening gas struts make packing and removal of the tent much easier. You see, it just needs a little shove to put it back up again. The Tuff Trek mk3 fights condensation better than most with large ventilation holes high in the canvas, rear door, and also on either side. Everything's replaceable, repairable forever. There's heaps and heaps of height and room in this tent. It just looks unreal on the inside. There are easy to deploy rain flies on the side windows of this tent. The Tuff Trek mk3 can be installed just straight to the foot rail, so you don't need the crossbars, which gets it nice and low on the vehicle, as you can see on the 76. All in all, this is a cracker of a tent. Check them out at tufftrek.com.au.